In today's video, I will show you how can backtest for free. To do this, you will need three things. One, the MetaTrader platform, the backtesting software, and backtest data. But no need to worry about the backtest data and software. I will leave a link in the description box to where you can get them, download them, and use them to backtest for free. So let's begin by opening our MT4 platform. Now the MT4 platform is open, and this is the software I will be using to backtest. I am going to install it on MetaTrader. Follow the steps carefully to be able to install the software. Inside the MT4 at the top bar, click on the File option, open the Data folder, then go to MQL4, and then Experts. Now go back to where the software is located, and copy it, then paste it in the Experts folder. After you are finished copying the software file, close that folder, and open the MT4 platform again. Click on the Navigator option this time, then scroll down to the Expert Advisor section. Right-click on this section and choose the Refresh option. As you can see, the software has already loaded. Drag the software to the chart. After the software loads, click on the OK options. So now the software has loaded and we can backtest for free. Let's configure the software so we can begin the backtesting. For this phase, we are going to need the software backtest data for the currency we are going to backtest. I will leave the link in the description box where you can download all the data for all currencies. Now on the software, click on the data center. On the data center interface, we are going to access the backtest data from here. You are going to create a file on your computer and paste your downloaded backtest data there. Ensure you paste the news data, plus all the currencies in this file you have created. After pasting, close the folder and open the data center interface of the backtest software. At the top right, you will see the folder option. Open it and select the folder you pasted the backtest data. After selecting the folder, click on OK, and the software will update automatically. You can see the gold data is already showing in the software and the news data has also been updated. Click on Close so that we begin with the backtesting. Now choose the New Simulation option to start backtesting. On this page, we are going to set up our new backtest and leave the top section as it is. On the main settings, you can change the duration you want to backtest from where you want it to begin. For this example, I will begin the backtest on March 2nd, 2015. I will not change the end date since I want to backtest till where the backtest data ends. Now I'm going to select the account currency for me. I won't change it and leave it at USD. For the starting account balance, you can leave it as it is or increase it. Let me increase mine to 20K. The next change we will make is the time on the chart option. This is what time the pairs will indicate as the day opens and closes. I will change this to New York Close, since I am familiar with it. If you have used MT4 charts before, switch it to New York Close too, as most brokers use that. In the next section is the advanced settings. Here we won't make many changes, just the leverage. Increase or decrease the leverage to your suit. For me, I will set it a 1,000. Below that is the spread option. Here you can choose between real and fixed. For real spreads, you will use the spread the Ducascopy broker offers its traders. For me, I'm using raw accounts, so I will switch to fixed. On gold, I usually have 10 pipettes as spread and commission. I have it at $5 a lot. The initial history on charts is the days you want the backtest data to show going back. For me, I will leave it at default. Everything seems ready and set. Now I will start simulation. The simulation has now been set up. What's missing is the charts. To add the charts, you are going to click on this panel section named Charts. Choose the chart type you want. From Renko charts to normal. I will leave it standard, and for the period, I will choose the 15-minute time frame, since I trade on that. As you can see, the chart is now loaded. You can add other time frames or charts using the same panel I have used. Customize the chart to your liking by adding indicators and instruments you use to trade with. Now on the new panel, you will use it to control the backtest session. You can see the risk can be customized to either be in percentage or a dollar amount. For stop loss, you can choose for it to be calculated in pips or prices, similar to the take profit. Now, when it comes to news, you can click on the top left icon named News to display the news events on your chart. When you click on the News section on the panel, you can see all news events that were to be read during the course of the day. We are backtesting. Since I am trading only the gold and it is affected by the dollar, I will filter it out to only show dollar news that are high impact. On the currencies, I will tick the USD box and untick the All box. You can also select if you want the past events to be 3 and future events to be 20. It will show 20 news events that will be released on your chart and keep 3 news events that have been released. I will change the past events to 10 and close the platform. Now we are going to start the backtest session. I will change the speed of this session. As it is so slow, you can see when I click on play, there is no change. To increase the speed, click on the real-time option and increase the speed bar to your liking. Now, if we click on play, we can see the speed is now increased. To pause the replay, click on pause, and it pauses. For the news to display on the chart, click on the news option on the top right. Now to open a position, you will out the lot and click on the buy and sell button on the control panel. You can create a pending order by clicking on the pending option and choose the order type you want from buys and sell stops to limit orders. Let me give an example of how to set an order and backtest. I will sell this pay with a 1-lot position size with a 200 pipettes, 20 pip, stop loss. The panel shows pipettes despite it saying pips. I will set the take profit to 290 pipettes or 29 pips. If I click on sell, you can see the order appears on my chart. To close a position, click on trades and the open position will appear. Click on the close icon. You can access your trading data by clicking on trades and choosing the history option. Here you will see the 2 orders I have entered. All the trade statistics will be here, even a graph depicting account growth. Now another example. I will sell again, but this time with a bigger take profit and stop loss. We have won that trade. If we go back to the trade history, you can see the details and graphs have been updated. And that's it. That's how you backtest for free. I will a link in the description where you can download all the data from gold to NASDAQ to all major and minor currencies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe icon as I drop similar videos.